everybody, it's Kathy here, and we are joining in for March with the 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, and this is series number 17. I am so excited. Today's sketch is from Sarah Christensen and it involves hexagons. How beautiful. So today I am creating a companion page for one that I've previously done, and it is going to be with my whale photos. So I have pre-cut my hexagons, which I'm going to put to the side for the moment. I've got all my die cuts I want to include into this layout, and I have my title cut and stickered up ready to go. So this layout, as I said, am using photos of my day out on the boats checking out the whales on Vancouver Island. It was an amazing experience. We were so very, very lucky that this pod of humpbacks were coming through the channel, and they were super, very, very active. So what I'm doing here is I'm just preparing this layout. This is some Vicky Boughton paper here, and I am just trimming it down to size. It's from her pad of paper, so it's got some core inside when I cut, which flares, but that's okay. And I like that it's got a bit of a splatter with the blue, and I'm using a blue 1-inch frame from a cardstock to create the background and give it some stability and strength. And then I will be using, as you saw, the blue from the internal part for my hexagons. So now that the hard part's done, making the base, I'm getting into layering up my photos. Now I have cut them all down into hexagons. The layout does call for one photo and then some embellished hexagons, but I decided I'm going to do all my hexagons as photos. Now I have the whale's tail, which is gorgeous. I have the single dorsal fin as the main feature, and then I have others where the pod was slapping. And you can just see here that top right hand one, that was one whale teaching the other whale how to slap their fin. It was so good to see. It was amazing, and the sound was just magic. My friend had always said to me, oh, whale watching was so good, that I would enjoy it, that I love it. And we went on so many whale watching cruises, but then that day was the day that I actually went, yeah, no, I get it now. It's so exhilarating just to watch these beautiful animals in the wild doing their thing. It was just crazy magic. We had beautiful sun, and the water was so crystal clear and smooth and calm, and you can just see these beautiful beasts in their own element. It was just magic. So I have placed down the 3 photo hexagons around the page, and now I'm just popping up this one, which is my feature hexagon, and it will overlap. Now my hexagons are larger than the sketch, but that's okay because the logistics of the sketch still stay the same. I'm going to tuck in some bubbles here from my dies that I've cut, and that will add to the feature. And I'm just trying to work out where to put the third one so that the layout is balanced. And I know I need something in that corner, but I don't think that I'm going to leave that one there. I'm going to play around with this a little bit, especially when I go off camera, to put everything down in its final position. I've also cut out whales, and I know that they're not humpback whales. I know that they are looking more like orcas, but that's okay. They could be humpbacks because they've got the smaller fin. It just depends. But they were just the feature of my dies, and I thought they'll go nicely on this layout. So I'm just placing where I think things are going to go, and then you'll see when I come back off screen after gluing them down that I actually rearrange it a little bit. So I have the seaweed coming up. Now that's an extra that isn't on the layout, but I wanted to add it in just to finalise it because we all know I can't do very much white space. This is how I finally placed the whales, and I added bubbles across that middle hexagon, and also the top right hand hexagon has bubbles from it as well to carry that theme across. Now this title I have cut, and I have cut it out of the leftover photo from when I have die cut the hexagons for the photos. So that was another feature. So they blend beautifully, these letters here, with the layout, because they are made up from the colours of the photos, and so they therefore complement the layout totally. And this called for a main long title at the top and then a subtitle over to the right in that space, and I'm going to use stickers to do that. And these are a grey green, which fits in beautifully with the colour scheme. And this is going to be my subheading. And I actually am not journaling on this one because it's part of my travel trip album, and there will be a page full of journaling talking about these beautiful, majestic giants of the ocean. So this one's going to be Whale Watching Fun, Dorsal Slapping Humpbacks. That's what I've called this one. So it is a bit long. These stickers are not sticking, so what I'm doing is I'm just getting them off the sheet. I'm going to place them down, and then I'll go off camera and run them through my sticker maker and put them down permanently, because I don't want to lose any of them as they go into my album. And I really am loving the colour scheme of this. I love this beautiful combination. And you can just see now that I'm adding in some little die cut words. One says wonderful, the other one says lucky, and the final one says moments. So it really was a wonderfully lucky moment that we got to see such beautiful interactivity with nature. The tail, the dorsals, it's just beautiful. So I'm adding in the final touches here with some sequins. Remember, this is the 30 days of sketches, so there will be lots and lots of people playing along. If you haven't already hit my subscribe button and the notification bell, please do so you know when I'm uploading for this hop. I will be doing a fair few of these because I do love this hop. And here you see my wonderful layout come together by that inspirational sketch. I just love the colours in this. I love how this has brought those photos to life and brought this whole page into a new album, which is just amazing. It will also go under my 2 Aussies in Canada and Alaska series. So thanks for looking, everybody. I really am impressed. Hopefully I've earned a thumbs up from you. Please do so, as YouTube loves those thumbs up. As I said, the playlist will be linked below for all the wonderful people playing along for this month. And go check them out. And thanks, Christy, for coordinating such beautiful sketches for us to work with. Inspiration comes from a sketch. You interpret it any way you like, and this is how I've done mine. Happy scrapping, everybody. See you in my next video, and here's the one I think you should be watching next.